Hello, friends. Welcome to the Cavity Fight podcast. I am your host, Melissa Heil. I hope you are well when this podcast finds you. Today we're going to be talking about cavities. I know that may not seem very exciting, but hear me out. Let me tell you about a little boy that we will call Johnny. I met him when he was 6. This little boy was full of life. He was always asking questions to see how things work. He gave the best hugs, and he was tender enough to take every spider he found outside instead of smashing it. Most people didn't see all of that in him. They just saw a mouthful of metal. You see, he had severe early childhood caries. This means Johnny had teeth with cavities at a very young age. In his case, it was every single tooth. He had little baby caps on all of his baby teeth. His parents couldn't afford to get the caps that had the tooth-colored coatings, and this left him looking a little bionic. He told me once that the kids at school called them his shark teeth, but I could tell that it bothered him. There are many things that cause these kind of cavities, and we will talk about all that in another episode. Today, we are going to talk about why we care. Why does it matter that Johnny had shark teeth? Most of you listening are moms. Moms that care about your own little Johnnies, who unfortunately don't really have shark teeth that regenerate whenever we need them to. We get a practice set we call baby teeth, and then the permanent ones come in, and that's it. It's our last shot. The American Dental Association says that dental decay is the most common childhood disease. Lucky for us, they also tell us that for the most part, it's preventable. Most of those painful dental emergencies can be prevented by consistent oral hygiene. And these things are habits that we can start with our little ones even before their first tooth peeks through their cute little gums. You, as their mom, or their dad, or their grandma, are their number one teachers. You already teach them so many things. To be kind, to read, to wash their hands, and use the potty. Dental habits are just as important, and they can be just as life-changing. By adopting healthy dental habits, we can help our kids avoid pain, emotional stress, lack of self-esteem, and more. As a mom myself, I know we are always looking for ways to multitask. 4 minutes a day brushing together can bring confidence and increase connection. At the same time, we are ensuring a bright dental future for our kids. Now that you know the difference that you can make in your child's life, do it. Don't let the pain and shame that were companions for Johnny be a part of your child's life. You can make the most profound difference by spending time twice a day brushing your child's teeth. Make it fun. At my house, we like to sing our favorite songs while we brush. It gets silly and sometimes messy, but it's worth it. For more ideas on how to make brushing time for fun, visit cavityfight.org. I will include that website in the show notes, and I will be here next month with our next topic, how to find the right dentist. Thanks so much for listening. See ya.